How to integrate Shopify plugin into your website. 1. Add MixPay payment method. The purpose of this step is to add MixPay payment method to the merchant order payment page. Log in to the merchant background. For specific operations, please refer to the following process. Click Settings. Click Payments. Click Add Manual Payment Method. Then click Create Custom Payment Method on the pop-up page. Fill in the payment method information and click Activate. Custom Payment Method Name. The name will be displayed here. You can DD the additional details and instructions by yourself. Additional details will be displayed here. Click Activate. You can see the MixPay payment method just added under the Manual Payment Method column. At this step, we have completed the addition of the MixPay payment method. 2. Add MixPay private application for merchants. The purpose of this step is to synchronize and modify the payment status of Shopify merchant orders through the private application. Step 1. Create a private app. Click Apps in the left navigation bar of the merchant background page and click App and Sales Channel Settings in the pop-up box. Click Develop Apps for your store. Click Create Application, fill in the application name, and complete the application creation. After the application is created, the following page is displayed. Step 2. Configure permissions for app action orders. Click Configuration. Admin API Integration. Click Configuration. Configure in the application details. After entering the configuration page, check the 4 order permissions: order editing and orders in the picture. And click Save. Step 3. Generate Shopify API Access Token and API Key. Click Apps and Sales Channels. Click API Credentials. Click Install App. After the installation is complete, the following information will be displayed. Please save the API Access Token and API Encryption key locally and send it to the developer. Note: Admin API Access Token can only be viewed once. Please be sure to save it. Step 4. Send your shop's information to bd@mixpay.me or grank@mixpay.me, and we will authorize it ASAP. Emails include Admin API Access Token, API Key, API Secret Key, Shopify Shop's website address. Mixin ID. Need to download the Mixin message and get your Mixin ID. Quote currency. It means what kind of currency will be quoted. Not support fiat currency right now. Settlement currency. It means what kind of currency you want to receive. Three. Add the MixPay Shopify plugin. This step aims to call up the MixPay Shopify plugin on the order payment page to complete the order payment. Step 1. Click Settings in the lower left corner of the merchant's background page. Step 2. Configure custom script. After entering the setting page, click Checkout, find the order status page on the right page, and paste the MixPay payment program code provided by the customer service into the additional scripts text box in the figure below, and click Save. Step 3. The merchant adds the MixPay robot as a contact in the Mixin wallet to receive the account receipt message. After the merchant completes all the above steps, you complete the configuration of all MixPay payment plugins.